This is JR from R Enterprises with a 5-minute drill on truck number 2239. It is in like new condition. Mileage is under 1,000. The chassis is a new 2022 Chevrolet K3500. It is 4-wheel drive. It has a V8 diesel Duramax engine. Wheelbase is 171 inches, 84-inch cabbed axle. Overall length is 23 feet and 11 inches. Overall height is 106.5 inch. Headroom is 68. It is an AEV module. It has new paint, new wheel and siren and speakers. It has new wheel-in LEDs all around the exterior, wheel-in LED cut lights on the interior. It has a Vanner inverter and charger. It has an ACC HVAC system with new hoses and fittings. It is a new 2022 K3500 diesel. It is 4-wheel drive. It has 171-inch wheelbase, 84-inch cabbed axle. The body configuration is left front oxygen and also other short storage. There's new running boards, new mud guards, new corner guards, new rub rails, new fenderettes, GM rally wheels. Left rear compartment is for long storage. It has new diamond plate rear kick panel and bumper pods. It also has a flip-up step. The unit is fitted with a liquid ride system for ride performance and also kneeling. The load height is 31.5 inch without cargo and after it kneels. Interior configuration is left side attendant seat with forward and aft action areas, storage below and above. Has a locking drug cabinet at the bulkhead, keyed cabinet. It also has a power distribution quarters at the bulkhead. It is a Type 1 walk-through configuration. It has a new front console, new RC Tronic panel, new wheel and siren head, new ammeter and voltmeter, available area to mount radios, place to store beverages and documents. It has a right front inside-outside access, advanced life support cabinet. It has central air, so a couple vents on the bulkhead and some vents down the headliner. Right rear storage for gloves, hazardous and sharps, and waste. 4-point restraint system on the squad bench with storage below the front half of the squad bench. It has an automatic step on the curbside door. It is triggered by the opening of the door. It also has an override switch. Right rear compartment for additional storage. Could be fitted with a shelf if that was helpful. All compartments also have new dry deck. ALS compartment has inside-outside access and 3 adjustable shelves. It also has a spare parts kit that comes with every remanufactured unit. Battery compartment does not house batteries, but could be repurposed. This configuration has 2 batteries under hood. If you have questions or would like more information on truck number 2239, please call 1-833-REMOUNT, REMOUNT, or visit our website at www.renterprisesllc.com. Thank you.